Yes, FBS Broker. Let's talk about this broker a little bit. This broker is widely accepted and is a trusted broker and widely accepted by traders worldwide. Understand? So let's talk about this to daily analysis. This broker is going to give you. So I want you to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit 84 cents, and this broker you boost that your 84 cents to $84. It's very possible. I'm going to show you. Watch this video till the end. Understand? So this broker, daily analysis, let me show you on their Telegram. This broker will help you to analyze the market on a daily on their Telegram community. They help you to analyze the market daily and send you signal. Understand? Let me quickly show you that. Okay, here is the Telegram, their Telegram community and analysis Telegram. You understand? So they are going to help you to analyze the charts on a daily basis. They'll tell you their look of the market. You understand? As you can see, they help you analyze gold, and they also give you the signal buy XAUSD on a break above the, you understand, and also your TP. Understand? This broker is a very, very good broker. So let me quickly show you how you can deposit. It's a very, very good broker. Try it out. You understand? Let me quickly show you how you can deposit for 84 cents, and they will help you to boost it to your $84. Let me show you that. Here is my live account. This is my live trading account. I just deposited this 84 cents. That means to tell you, it's not even up to $1. You can deposit a minimum even below dollar safe. You know, a lot of broker, like for example, excess, I do say their minimum deposit is $10. Lots of brokers, some even say $100, but this broker, and it's a very trustworthy broker, and they are allowing you to deposit 84 cents. Not just that, on your set account, they are allowing you to deposit 84 cents, and on top of that, they're going to boost it for you. Look at this. I deposit 84 cents, right? As you can see, I deposit 84 cents there, and when you come to my trading terminal, that's MT5, it's $84 here. You understand? As you can see, this FBS, the real, you understand, it's $84. You deposit 84 cents with this broker. You deposit 84 cents. This thing has refreshed. You deposit 84 cents. Why? The broker will help you to boost your 84 cents to $84, guys. Is very, very say. I don't know what else you and on top of that, they'll also send you a signal on their Telegram on a daily basis on how you can grow, on how you can make money. Guys, try this broker out. I'll drop my link, my referral link, on the description. You understand? Use my referral link and open an account. There's also a bonus when you use a referral link to register. Use my referral link to open your account and enjoying, and you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. Try this broker out and give me your feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care, guys.